Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to prepare for IELTS Speaking Part 2. This section tests your ability to speak at length on a topic. You'll get a cue card with a subject and some prompts. You have 1 minute to jot down ideas before speaking for 1 to 2 minutes. It's crucial to use that preparation time effectively to structure your thoughts and ensure a coherent response. During your 1 minute of preparation, don't try to write a full script. Instead, quickly brainstorm a few main points and relevant vocabulary. A simple outline, perhaps just 3 or 4 bullet points, can guide your speech. Remember to address all the prompts on the cue card. Incorporating a personal anecdote or example can make your response more interesting and natural. When it's time to speak, focus on clarity and a natural pace. Don't rush, but also avoid long pauses. Try to maintain eye contact with the examiner, as this helps with connection. Elaborate on your points, providing specific details and examples to support your ideas. The goal is to speak for the entire 1 to 2 minutes, demonstrating your fluency and ability to develop a topic. A common mistake is trying to memorize full answers. Examiners can spot this easily. Instead, practice speaking spontaneously on a wide range of topics. Regularly expand your vocabulary, especially for common IELTS themes. Don't let minor grammatical errors or hesitations derail you. Focus on communicating your ideas effectively. Confidence and a natural flow are key to a good score.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.